Okay, welcome back to Simple Snake Game in Python 3 for Beginners. This is part 6. Let me go ahead and update that while I'm at it. Part 6, this is where we do body collisions. Okay, so let me show you what we have so far. Okay, if you're curious, I'm on Linux, Ubuntu Linux, but this will work on Mac and Windows. So I've got my snake, it eats some food. I'm using the WASD keys to eat the food. If I hit the border, it returns the center and I lose my body. Okay, so what I want to do now is it's also supposed to end the game when the snake touches itself. Okay, touches its, the head runs into one of the segments. Okay, so let's figure out how we're going to do that. And well, we're going to do basically the same thing we did with the collision check for the food. We're going to measure the distance, but what we have to do is measure the distance between the head and the different body segments. So, as you saw earlier, we'll do this after we move. So check for so basically what we're going to do is we're just going to go through each segment one at a time. So for segment in segments, so that will go through from the first segment to the second segment, third segment, blah, 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 blah. And then we just check. So if the segment dot distance to the head, again, just as we did before, is less than 20. So that means they're overlapping. We're going to do what we did before. Times sleep, 1. Head dot go to 0, 0. Head dot direction, stop. And we'll just basically do exactly what we did up here. Oops, we did up here, sorry, wrong one. We need to hide the segments and clear the segments list. Now just be careful with the indentation. You got to make sure that it is indented properly. Okay, because if it's not indented properly, you'll get some weird things happening. So we check each segment. If there is a collision with the segment, okay, we sleep, go back to the center, stop the head, hide all the segments, and clear the segments list. Okay, so let's run that. Okay, so oops, sorry, I always do that. Forget I have two screens going. Okay, so I've got to let this grow a little bit so I can actually hit the body itself. Okay, so there you go. I hit the body. I ran into myself there. So I'm going to now. Here's the other thing I want to show you about this. So if I'm going up or I'm going right and then I go left. Okay, so I kind of went through. In that case, I went through my own, which is okay. This is just a beginner thing, but oops. Now if I go down, it gave me basically I ran into myself there. So what we want to do is we want to actually prevent the snake from going like into its own body, from reversing direction. Okay, so for example, what we need to do, if head direction equals up, okay, there's a couple different ways to do it, but what we can do is up here. So if head dot direction equal down. So if I'm going left, then I can go up. If I'm going right, then I can go up. If I'm going up, I can keep going up. If I'm going down, it will not let me go up. Because the only way I can go down, or the only way I can go up, is if I'm not going down. Okay, so basically we just need to do that. Head dot, I'm going to copy that because I don't like to type a lot. So copy that. And okay, watch the indenting. Oops. Make sure your spaces are correct. So down and up and down, right and left and right. Okay, so basically what this does is if I'm going down and I try to go up, it just won't work because it only goes up if I'm not going down. So let me run that and just test it. Every time you make some changes, you need to test your code. So I'm going up, okay, down, right. I'm going to hit left, 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 left. Nothing's happening. And so you can see that it will not let me reverse direction. Okay, pretty cool. So basically we've got a working game. And so I think in the last video, the next one, I think will be the last one, is we'll set some scoring up and add some things to some features of the game to make it a little bit more challenging. Okay, hope you stay tuned. One more to go. Thanks.